Faster.
So push like it's just regular ice skating. That's all. There you go. There you go. Faster. All the way down. Look at that wall. All the way to go and turn around, then come back. There you go. You got it. You got it. People that are out there. Turn around. Okay, come for. Uh-oh. Turn this way.
Why do you have a can of soda?
Not as easy as it looks, is it?
Oh, I know. There we go.
This way, go straight up to Randy. Go right at the camera. Right at the camera, please.
How do they stop? How do you stop?
You gotta tip your heel.
Grab it. You gotta grab it.
Watch up the car. Watch up the car.
How come only one person thing is about?
Because that's just the way they're built. One of you's got the brake.
Well, you're supposed to stop this one.
No, the other one on the right has the brake. Huh?
Yeah, the one that's got the thing over the
This
hill.
one's crooked.
That one looks like it's...
It looks like it is, but it's not.
Ah.
If anything, that one there looks like it's
Okay.
Come on, Sue, build up speed. Build up speed, come on.
Oh, the heel?
Yeah.
I got it.
Where's your glasses? Oh.
Did you see when I came out?
Too wicked. Okay, Sue. Pick up speed. Come on.
I don't want to pick up speed, Noel. Show Noel.
Okay, stop. Lift up your heel and stop.
Too much of him to fit in the camera. Just some it.
Jeez, Nancy, I don't know what button you're pushing, but I'm recording right now.
I pressed it and it was black. Tony, you're gonna get me right on my butt.
No, I got a better shot than that.
I mean, when I give her somebody to grab onto.
Go, Nat!
Not yet, Tony. Get out of her way.
She's actually doing pretty good, you guys.
Considering they're too big for her.
She's doing really good. It's not as easy as you think, though. Here she comes. Okay, look out. Nancy's always at her best when she's out of control.
She's alright. Not like some of that's
Sure.
Nancy?
Did you see Nancy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay?
Look again.
Well, I gotta get her on tape. Jeez, that would have been a good one, Nat.
Oh, I thought I was going to. I hurt my shoulder doing that one.
Push, Nance, or else you're gonna come back backwards. Tony, get off the road!
Tony, come here. Tony!
Okay, you guys, watch how she stops. This is incredible.
Randy, you better catch her. Randy, Randy, catch her as long as the car doesn't come on you. There she goes.
There's a car.
Faster, Nancy, faster!
Tony, stay here.
Okay, come into the driveway. Watch her go over the hump, you guys. Here she goes. Oh, not bad.
I did it. You did it. Now it's Lori's turn to feel funny.
Lori, come here.
Lori, just a minute.
Lori, come here. We got Tracy's birthday on there. We didn't.
No, we've got it on. Randy, you've got to pick up some wax for the car.
Rain dance.
Turtle wax.
Rain dance.
Prism.
Turtle wax.
Prism.
Turtle wax. Hard shell.
Prism. You rub prism on and you rip it off.
Now, if you guys had an example, you could do a commercial right here. What kind of wax do we use, Tony?
Okay.
Don't push, don't push.
Just skate. You're rolling backwards.
Faster. Yeah.
Oh, that trolley has to go back, Randy. I guess it's all right if you're just moving, but...
Foot, idiot. Up the hill. Up the hill.
All right. Get away from me. I've got bare feet on.
Tony, come here. Tony, come here. Watch Mommy go down the hill. She's right here, Tony. She's coming back. Yeah, she's just going to go down the hill.
Oh, that wasn't very much of the hill, Lori.
No.
Okay, bye, drink.
Yeah. Back up again. Go all the way to the top, though. Get those legs pushing. Push. Use those arms.
No? Lori doesn't want to fall on the ground.
Use those arms. Keep
Right
going.
to the car.
Keep going.
That outfit. So it's clean from
Okay, come back.
It's just doing on whichever.
Now push down. Skate. Skate.
No, out of the way, Tony. Tony. Tony.